Okay, welcome. Now we are rounding off numbers, and in this case, I talk about whole numbers, right? And I have here a heading special case, right? It's a special case. I call it a special case because it is when the digit to the right of the required place value is exactly 5. When the digit next to the required place value is exactly 5. All right. So in this case here, we can either go up for some cases and we can go down for some cases. So if let us put odd numbers here. Odd numbers are 1. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7. These are numbers which are not divisible by 2, by the way. 9, etc. I'll just mention this. And we have even numbers, which are 2, 4, 6, and 8. Okay? So, simple like this. When we have odd numbers, and the number next to the required digit is 5, then here you will add 1. Add 1. But if we have even number and the number to the next, the number to the next is 5. If the required, I'm talking about the required here, we have the required and the number next. So when the digit next to the required number, so this digit next to the required number is exactly 5. So there is 5, and if there is 5 ahead and then back we have these numbers, you add 1. But if we have 5 and the digit to the required is even, okay, then you leave unchanged. Leave unchanged. Okay, hope you understand. So we talk about 5 exactly next to the required digit. Now, if the required digit is odd and then next to it is 5, add 1. If the required digit is even and the next to it is 5, then leave unchanged and replace with 0. So when you add 1, you will replace with 0. When you leave unchanged, you will also replace with zeros. Right, now suppose we have just an example here. Okay, round off. Round off 2,645 to the nearest tens. To the nearest tens. Alright? Place value 2,645. Place value, these are ones. Tens, we are here. This is our interest. You have seen this before. So tens. Now see, this is even and next to it is 5. So the formula say leave unchanged. Alright, so we leave it unchanged. So this will be equal to, 2,645 is approximately to 2,640. 2,640. So it goes down. Okay, it goes down. It will be rounded down that way. But now suppose we have a number like 26. This is 1. Number 2, round off 2635. Yeah, 2635 to the nearest tens, right? As usual, you will go for the place value here. So the place value for this is 2, 6, 3, 5, ones, tens. Okay, so this is our interest here. So look, next to it we have 5, and because this required place here, the number is odd, then you add 1. So 2, 6, 3, 5 will be approximated to 2, 6, 4, 0. Alright, so that is it. Now this is why I called it a special case. It is really a special case because I have to consider even odd every time. Thank you for watching. Please go through once again. Make sure you understand and join me in another tutorial. Don't you forget to subscribe.